What's up, guys? So today we are going to be installing spark plugs and these little things right here. Big intake ram thingies, not intakes, but basically they go in the grill right here. They just kind of give it better airflow to the intakes, because I think I'm having an issue. Possibly, I don't know. I could just be, a bad driver, but I think I'm experiencing some IET problems. Sucking in hot air, the timing is kind of getting retarded. So that might be an issue. So I'm hoping that helps it. That's why I wanted to install it. I got my ECU in from Lap3, so I installed the TCU Tune. So I'm gonna be doing a video on the TCU Tune also. But yeah, we're gonna be installing those ram intake thingies. I don't know what they keep calling it, but yeah. That's what we're installing today. And Ray's on the way. He's the one installing it. Go get a little swivel tool, because if not, you're gonna have to take the whole intake off to install the spark plugs. Let's see, right where the intake's at. So spark plugs are under there. So obviously that would be an absolute bitch to try to do it without it. So yeah. So these are the spark plugs we're going with. HKS Superfire Racing plugs, the 45 IO, I think they call it, iridium plus platinum, so it's 2-step colder. That's gonna help with stuff. Basically, what Lap3 told me I had to have them, so I just got them. Don't really know what they're gonna help with, because I'm kind of retarded, but whatever. And let's see, let's unbox these. Here are the spark plugs before. We just took them out. They're not too bad, but I mean, obviously I got to run them with the tune I'm getting. But no, I mean, for having 30,000 miles, oh no, 25,000 miles on them, they don't look too bad. I heard these cars unfortunately have issues with spark plugs and coil packs, so not too bad. So this is gonna be the big, I think it's called the big mouth intake that goes in the grill. So basically it mounts up right in there, and it just gets a lot more airflow through here. Show you. Goes through here all the way to right here, and this brings cold air to right here. So it's just to get more air in there, more cold air in there, which is honestly just the engine bay gets super hot. So really next, honestly, what I'm gonna buy, I think, is definitely gonna be wheels and tires, because obviously these weigh 35 pounds each, which is ridiculous, these wheels. And the ones I'm getting weigh about 22 pounds, so that's gonna save a shit ton. And they're 20s, they're bigger, so that's even crazier. I'm not gonna spoil which ones I'm getting yet, but yeah, these things are gonna hopefully get us some better IET numbers and not be so hot in this engine. But next is what I'm gonna buy is a carbon fiber hood. This it just seriously gets really hot in these engine bays, guys, so definitely watch out for that. But yeah, so from what Ray was saying, spark plug all the way back here was pretty much loose, kind of just hanging in there. So that could be an issue to why it's kind of like rough, not a rough idle, but it's not as smooth as when I got the car. So that could be a huge issue with that. But going in with, he got his little swivel tool. Going in with the other spark plugs.
No, I'm gonna take it.
All right, got one of these big ram intakes on. It looks pretty sick. That intercooler looks sick too, but we got all the spark plugs. The middle one was a bitch, but it really wasn't that big of a bitch. The guy in the YouTube video said you can't do it without this special tool, but Ray Perez from Lafayette, Louisiana said he could do it, so.
Get it done.
So these things look pretty sick. I didn't get any crazy colors because I didn't want anybody to see it and be like, oh my God, you're not stock, whatever. So, looks good. What's up guys? So today we're going to be installing the ECU finally.